In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the multi-purpose mid-width weight bench. To assemble, you will need a wrench and a socket wrench. In the box, you will find the back cushion, part 10, the preacher cushion, part 9, the seat cushion, part 11, foam rollers, part 19, the support tube, part 4, backrest tube, part 15, and the leg lift crossbars, part 12. The preacher frame, part 6, the leg lift, part 7, assorted pieces, the weight support collars, part 3, 2 upright frame posts, part 1, and a backrest support bar, part 5. And all the hardware is provided. Connect the upright frame post to the support tube by using the round plates, part 14. Install using bolts, part 31, and M10 washers, part 37, and M10 nuts, part 39. Insert the backrest support bar, part 5, between both posts. In the accessories bag, you will find 2 post caps, part 28. Install them onto the post. You will also find a large round plug, part 27, that must be installed at the top of the posts. Using the flat plate, part 13, install the control brace, part 8. Connect using bolts, part 32, washers, part 37, and nuts, part 39. To connect the weight support collars, part 3, use the anti-tip hooks 1 and 2, respectively parts 16 and 17, to connect to the posts. Make sure that both collars are installed in the same opening and they are perpendicular to one another. Install the front leg using pieces 38, 35, and 34. Insert an M10 bolt, part 44, and secure with M10 washer, part 37, and M10 nuts, part 39. Place 2 leg lift crossbars, part 12, onto the leg lift. Then, slide a foam roller on each side. There should be 4 in total. Place the support plate, part 18, onto the front leg and the control brace. Use the M8 bolt, part 35, M8 washer, part 38, and M8 nut, part 40. Slide the ends of the backrest tubes onto the small pole in the middle of the control brace. Place the backrest cushion, part 10, on top of them and install using M8 bolts, washers, and nuts. Install the seat cushion following the same steps, in the middle of the control brace. Connect the preacher frame onto the preacher cushion and install using two M8 bolts, part 35, and two M8 washers, part 38. Slide onto the front leg and secure to an opening of your choice by screwing in the rubber bumper, part 22, from the back of the leg. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.